Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with 2A Direct. Today we're going to talk about the Motorola SL300. I've already laid out all the components that it comes with in this box. So first we have the actual radio, the antenna, the battery door, the charger, the power cord, and the belt clip. So let's start to build this radio. First we have the antenna. It goes on this side, and you're just going to twist clockwise until it's snug. The battery, before I put this in the radio, I want to show you the charger really quick. So there's actually two ways to charge this battery. You can charge it by itself or you can charge it within the radio. If you have a spare battery, this is really important. You would want to line up the indicators here from the battery onto the charger and put it in place there. The power cord gets placed in the back. There's a charging unit here, and then you can plug it in. What's important here is if you have a spare battery, you can charge your spare batteries while you're using your radios with the regular battery. So this is just one way to charge it. The other way is if you actually insert here, and then I have the battery door here, so I'm going to lock that. So once I have the battery door locked, I can insert the radio, and this is the front of the radio where the indicators are for the light. We can do this, and that should charge it as well. What's really great about this charger is it actually has a light indicator, so you know how much battery this has. It'll either show red, a yellow, orange, or a green. If it's green, you know that it's completely charged. The last component is the belt clip, and you easily insert it here and snap on the top. And now your belt clip is ready to be worn. All of these accessories can actually be purchased separately in case one of them is damaged or lost. It can easily be replaced. To check out this radio and all of its components, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.